Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on basic multiplication facts. Following on from the last video, we will use concrete materials to increase our understanding of some basic multiplication facts. Consider the following number of oranges and the way they are arranged. Let us call the above arrangement two groups of 5. 2 groups of 5 equals 2 times 5 equals 10. So there's the first group of 5 there, the 5 oranges on top, and that's the next group of 5 there. And that's why we call it 2 groups of 5, giving us 10 oranges in total. Now let us rearrange the oranges as follows. Let us call the arrangement to the left as 5 groups of 2. It follows on that 5 groups of 2 equals 5 times 2 equals 10. So there's 1 group of 2, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups of 2 equals 10. So 2 groups of 5 contains the same number of items as 5 groups of 2. This can be shown using numbers. We have 2 times 5 equals 5 times 2. Consider the following number of apples and the way they are arranged. Let us call the arrangement of apples 3 groups of 4. 3 groups of 4 equals 3 times 4 equals 12. 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4 equals 12. Now let us rearrange the apples as follows. Let us call the arrangement to the left as 4 groups of 3. 4 times 3 equals 12, so 3 times 4 equals 4 times 3, which equals 12. There is 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, and 4 groups of 3, which makes 12. So whether you arrange them as 3 groups of 4 or 4 groups of 3, we still have 12 apples. Example 1. 5 groups of 6 equals 5 times 6 equals 30. 6 groups of 5 equals 6 times 5 equals 30. Example 2. 7 groups of 4 equals 7 times 4 equals 28. 4 groups of 7 equals 4 times 7 equals 28. Some further rules. Number 1. If a number is multiplied by 1, its value stays the same. 1 times 5 equals 5. 8 times 1 equals 8. So this shows that when you multiply a number by 1, the value of the number stays the same. The second rule, when a number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. Some examples, 7 times 0 equals 0, 0 times 3 equals 0.